Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And this morning we have a setup in Euro USD that I'd like to show you all. What I see, obviously the channel is about harmonic patterns and market cycles. So first of all, you've got to find where you are in that cycle. So let's just identify exactly that. And for me, we're in this first zone higher. You can see the 1-2 peak, and then this is a big one. We're expecting the 2 up here and so on and so forth. So I'm looking for an entry into the trend, and I'm taking a long off the previous low that I can see forming the low of 2. And you can obviously see how the market's come back down in this staircase fashion. So let's get on to a time frame where I can illustrate how I'm looking at my entry. So I'm looking for ABCD patterns. ABCD patterns do exist on all time frames. Let me just draw one out and label it up for you. So we have the AB leg here, which is A, this is B. I've literally taken the extreme high and the extreme low of this particular range. Now notice it's not this candle, it's this candle. That's the next. So what I do next is I copy this line and I ping it there, and I label this C and this guy down here D. So this will now start creating a cluster of this where price should at some point want to respect or interact with. So we've got it round here, prices above and below at the moment. Right, next. So that's one. Typically the CD leg, so I'm taking the top here, but I'm not going to put it there just for clarity. I'm taking this low here because this candle breaks the structure. So same thing again, copy and paste there, draw my zone in, label it up. So we'll do it in smaller letters, A, B, C, D. Right, any more? Let's have a look. I believe there is. There's one here. So we're taking this high and this low. So we've got quite a lot going on here. Now, market makers probably know that there's a lot of, there's going to be a big move out of here, put it that way. There is going to be a big move. I'm calling for it higher. It could easily do the stops. Unusual to do the stops, I must admit. Wouldn't expect it to do the stops, but this is trading. Nothing is exact. You can just give yourself the best shot entering a trend, and this for me is the best shot for entering the trend. So let's just recap. So we've got 3 ABCDs. We've got the blue one, we got the red one within the CD leg, and then we got another ABCD within this CD leg. So this is seriously strong stuff. I am expecting an absolutely explosive move higher. We will see how that comes to be, but me trusting harmonics and doing this for 15 years, this is as good a chance as any to move up from here. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you all the best. Cheers.